And jersey number 8, Mr. Ed, Kuya Michael. And jersey number 10, Road. From jersey number 5, 29, jersey number 30, 30 pa, sa kanya pa count. And jersey number 30, Gino, pagkato na. KJ, kato na. Okay, panay. Jump ball, jump ball, jump ball. Jump ball. Haman na. Ang bola, haman. Picture. Photo ba lang sa jump ball?
Wala. Champion lang eh.
Isa na kabola ang gamita ko. Masaya ka mo doon.
Sinabi mo yung pula o.
Ikaw. Honest to goodness ta ha. Una-una, usaran tayo ato repere. Tapos di sa mga kita, kun lazo. Ani jo announcer pare. Kabaan ka mo, unang bug ka mo. Magmisa mo ta silo. Di ka mga kalawat. Okay? Be honest. Dribble, ipasa ka ni Easy, kitira ni Easy. Sige na. Chow King, ipasa sa katimuting. Ipasa sa team, namo. Chow King dribbling the ball, pass to Alexander. Wala. Roll, rebound the roll, pass to Michael. Okay, taas ang bola. Oh, and go in! Okay! Score 2-5 in favor of Team Delia. Kuya, tumingin sila mga ko boses. Kuya Jojo dribbling the ball. Pass to JC, pass to Chowking for 3. Score 8-2 in favor of Team Delia. Uncle Bongbong, pass to shot. Wala. Okay. Roll for 2. This is Roll versus Chowking. Time 9 minutes and 15 seconds. JC pass to Chowking, tira! Wala!
Yung bola di siya.
Kuya Michael, dribbling the ball! Hinay. Pass to Kuya Ronald. Uncle, dua ka pula! Tuyo ka pula! Isara! Shot! Yeah! Wala! Aroy. Okay, relax na Kuya Uncle Junjun. Relax na, kaya tagkapuin sila. Oh, dribbling the ball pass to Kuya Junjun. Kuya Junjun pass to JC. Laro. Diba? 8 minutes at 15 seconds, tagkapuin na sila. Waya mabot sa net. Gamatay. 2 minutes pa kada ilabay, tagkapoy na. 2 minutes pa inilabay, tagkapoy na. O na, pati ka quarter. Tag 10 minutes, okay. Time out. Time out, team. Delia. Kamu pa nag-time out? Nakakuha sa ba? Okay, at ang mga flower girl. Wala na. Intermission number. Okay, back to the Belgium. Back to the Belgium. Dribbling the ball. Pass. Interception by Rose. Rose dribbling the ball. Pass to C. Shoot. Wala. Kuya Michael. Rebound si Kuya Michael. Shoot. Tira. Wala. Kuya Jojo. Pass to Kuya Jojo. Kumahatay ito, tingnan mo naman ang tala. Kuya Michael, dribbling the ball, pass to Ariel! Kuya Jojo, out. Out of bounds. Timothy. Casey, dribbling the ball, Casey, dribbling the ball. Pass to Kuya Michael. Angelo, tira! Wala. RM. Good. 2. 12-6 in favor of Team Delia. 22 dribbling the ball. Okay, pass. Out of bounds. Casey, dribble the ball. Shoot! Yes! Good for 2. Score. 12-8. Last score. 12-8. Score. Wala. Uncle Junjun dribbling the ball. Pass to Leron. Shoot by Leron. Wala. Dribble back. Good. Roll for 2. Score 12-10 in favor of Team Delia. Uncle Jun for 2. Good. 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Foul. Timan ini sa mga foul kaya itong listahan diri. Okay. Substitution. Kuya Sid, pasok. Kuya Michael dribbling the ball for Timothy. Angelo force 2. Wala. Kuya Sid for 2. Nice! Score 16-10 in favor of Team Delia. Casey dribbling the ball. Pass to Kuya Michael. Shoot for 2. Yes! Chow King. Traveling ka, oh. Shoot for... Wala. Relax, relax, relax. Pass, Kay. Pass. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Kuya Sid, dribbling the ball. Shoot for 2. No. Rebound to Kuya Michael. Angela for... Wala. Okay, traveling violation. Kuya Sid, number 79. Time out, team. Voting. Time out. For 30 minutes. 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Pass to Kuya Julio. Wala ko Casey, level pass to Ino. To Kuya Michael. For 2, no good. Relax na kayo sa kapoy na lang. Kuya Sid, dito na po. Pass. Dito po pass. Kaya dito to pass.
Kuya Michael, dribbling the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Casey! Layup! Foul, foul! Blocking foul! Free throw! Casey, 1 throw. Wala, tarong mo pa. Ipaigo sa masasanit ra. Second throw. No! Kuya Sid, dribbling the ball.
Diretso, diretso, diretso. Shoot. Score, 20 to 12.
Wow! Inop! Oh! Sayang!
Shouting Kelly. No good. For 2. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. 22 over 12. Favor of Dendilia.
Kuya Michael for 2. Yes! Good for 2.
Running time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Shouting for 3. No good.
Kuya Michael dribbling ball pass to ipasa kang Casey gitira wala Kuya Sid
Grabe ka mas ni Kuya Sid. Isa na katimit yan. Good, good, good. DJ. United.
1 minute and 32 seconds.
Kuya Sid, taking the ball. Ay, rebound. Pass to Kuya. Pass to Kuya. Arden. Foul. Score 22-14 in favor of Team Dilia.
22-14. 22-14. Time out charge team Dilia.
Casey. Hanap ka pasama si Casey. Si Casey. AJ Bulto, yes! 45-31. DJ, DJ. Kuya Sid. Dribble. Okay. Wala. Isa pa. Okay. Two minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Yung dribble ni Pasagan. Foul, number 10.
Outfit of the day. OOTD.
Very good. No.
Ito, sapatos maganda.